Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create a second YouTube channel using the same email address as you did for the first one. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we're going to do first is actually come to youtube.com, and if you haven't already, just go ahead and log into your account. And then what you want to do is come across and click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, so this little icon up here, and then you want to come down and click onto settings. So just a quick note that you can actually use this to create multiple channels. You're not limited, so if you wanted to create 3 channels off the same email address, for example, you can do that. So I'm going to be using my main digital tutor channel. Oh, also just a note that you can do this off a brand account as well. So it doesn't have to be like your main email address. You can do it off a brand account if you're signed into that as well. But what you want to do when you come to the settings is, if you look just a bit down the page, in this section here where it says your YouTube channel, and you'll see under your profile icon, you've got a few options there. What you want to do is actually click this one which says add or manage your channels. And once you've clicked that, that's going to take you to a new screen. And you'll see a list of all your channels you've got created under this email address. To create a new channel, all you need to do is simply click this button which says create a channel. And then all it's going to do is ask you to enter your channel name. So I'm just going to call this example, and then tick the box to confirm you agree to the settings, and then click the create button. And once you've done that, it's just going to take a minute or two, and what's going to happen, that's going to go through, and just like that, that's your channel created. So if I come to the top right hand corner, click on the profile icon, and come down to settings, you'll see that that is under my digital tutor email address. And if I come down and click onto the add or manage your channels, you will see that's now been added to that channel, and you can see that's in the same email address as my other channels, and you can just repeat the process to create multiple channels. But yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.